Thank you. Good morning, Philippines. Good morning po sa atin dyan kabayan sa Pilipinas. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. And I know it's way too early today to do this live broadcast, but you can always watch this again, either in YouTube or in the other five channels that I have in Facebook. Also, good evening to my friends here in Facebook and to all friends here in San Francisco and California. Good morning to you all. Oh, good afternoon pala. 4 o'clock here, 4:07 here in the state of California, San Francisco. All right, several things that we're going to talk today. One of which is essential indicators that could help you open trades in any platform you want. In any, either you do Bitcoin, either you do stocks, or either you do forex. Okay, they all have a generic indicators, and all of them use the trading view, which is all generic, which is all the same trading platforms, or not trading platform, the same trading view which all these platforms used. Right. The second one is we're going to talk about the bearish market and what can you do and how can you make increase your asset in the bearish market. And the third one is what's that? Our current trades today. Okay, what's going on with the market? Is it totally being affected, especially with the cryptocurrency? It may be affected by this pandemic right now, but in the light of that, in the light, I know it's sad to listen to a lot of this news. Sometimes the best way to do it, not to panic, is to not to listen to news at all. But one of the best way to do, or to limit the curve, or to flatten the curve of spreading the is to social distance, your social distancing. Okay, I've got a scientist friend who's a doctor in Harvard University who really recommend about social distance. Mga tinatawag nating beso-beso, friends-friend, meet-meet. Wala muna tayo ha. And San Francisco School District, which is my district, actually just announced today, 3 o'clock this afternoon today, that beginning on Monday, we're not going to have a class for 3 weeks. And I don't know what's gonna happen next after that one. All right. But we're gonna start with the price of Bitcoin right now. It's about 5,000. So Bitcoin is actually tanking. Tank me. There's a word tank. So let me share how much the price of Bitcoin in Coinbase. Price of Bitcoin in Coinbase is uh I think my internet is kind of slow. Well, yeah, it is slow. So my mm-mm. There we go. Maybe I should reset this whole stop Binance first. Maybe Binance slowing it down. And it's on live. So I wish to show this live trading to you so that you would see what the indicate my positions on different positions of trade. Okay, trade the different positions. So okay, I'll show it to you. It did. The speed went better now. So let me share that one really quick. Here we go. All right. The price of Bitcoin went down. Well, actually, it's 5.6 just a while ago. It's 5,800. It's 5,800. Ethereum went down about $128 for today, which is 31% for 24 hours. I mean, not bad. I mean, yeah. So XRP went 23%, which is only 0.16, One of the important thing is Litecoin is only $33 today, and Bitcoin Cash went to 173. So all altcoins, beginning from Bitcoin, went bloody today. So it's all tanking. Okay. USD, which is a stable coin, this one, the one at the bottom. So USD, it's still, USD is a stable coin. We call it stable coin because it never fluctuates much of this price. So one of the reason why I like to trade that coin versus the other coins, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. These are the major altcoins. Okay, so that's the price for today. And the next thing I'm going to show you is that, tell you is that most of the time we thought that when the market went down, or if the market goes down, we thought everything is a losing. So, that's the common misconception. So I said misconception. And they said that when Bitcoin tanks, and they'd say, I will not invest on Bitcoin anymore because it just went down. The price went down and it's too bad. Oh, I will not invest in S&P. I will not invest on Forex or dollar or Canadian dollar or euro because the price just went down. Actually, guys, it's no. The market in the trading market behaves totally different. So when I say different, is that you can actually make money out of when the price goes south, when the price go down. Okay, we call it. I call it, or we call it, like betting on the bearish market or betting on the bear, because there's two: is the bull and the bear in the stock market. It's a stock market. It's a stock market terminology. We have the bull, the bear, and is it tanking? Is like pumping? Is it dumping? So let us understand first the bear and the bull. Okay, right now they said the market is on the bearish pool, so it's being pulled down to the bearish trend. So what does that mean to you? Now I'm going to show you really quick my current or my position right now, and this will show you that not all the time that when market goes down, when Bitcoin goes down, you are losing. Okay, not always the case. Well, it depends on either you go to a certain position, maybe on the wrong position, or you went into a certain position which in you make money out of it. So I'll show you really quick, and I'm going to share you this my current position. This is my position ngayon, and you will see that I'm profiting. I'm actually 166% right now of all my trading position. 166.40. Actually, it went to 170% right now. So that's my position right now because I'm putting out on Ethereum bear and bear Bitcoin bear. Meaning to say, I'm betting on the bear position. Okay, I never put a bull position on this one. Now, what do you mean by putting on a bear position? Meaning you're going to sell. Okay, sell position. There's two positions that you usually go if you wanted to trade. Either you go long or you go short. When you go long, it's a long position. When you try to execute a long position, you are trying to expect, or you are having a probability or high probability that the market would go up. So you are already looking at it that the market might go up, and that if it goes up, or if in this case Bitcoin, if the Bitcoin goes up, you win. You will win on that market. Okay, you are winning on that market. Okay, so on the other hand, if you go bear, meaning the opposite of buy is called sell. Okay, it's not like a traditional market wherein you buy low and sell high. No, it's you can also like sell high, buy low. All right, what I'm saying. So how is that done? Now, when the price goes up, when the price is already on the top, bye, you guys. See you on tomorrow. You coming tomorrow? I'll see you in April. April the 3rd, man. All right. Sure. Eh. Some of my students still here. I thought they were already out. We just dismissed my student. Okay. When we go to a bear position, that's a time when the price is extremely high, or rather just high, because there's always a fluctuation. So on that point in time, you execute a sell position. So you put a sell here, and then you are expecting that the price will go down. So once the price will go down or will tank, you will win. Exactly what I have today. Look at this, 166%. That's 4 days ago. So 4 days ago, guys, this is not prediction. This is probabilities. I don't want to say it's prediction. It's just when I use my indicators, I have three essential indicators I'm going to show you or teach you if you want to trade, you know. Everybody can trade. Anyone can trade as long as you're in a major age. Anyway, probabilities that for me the price will go down. Coke adds life. So I put that position. I put a bear position because I am having a higher chance when I do and check my indicator that the market will go down. The market will become bearish. So let's see. It's more of like guessing. Yeah, guessing is fine, but guessing sometimes 50% chance. But if you have an indicator, you already one indicator, you have a 60% chance that you are right. If you have another indicator, you have three and a three, two. So that would give you about 70% chance of your position is going on the way you want to go. And if you have three indicators, which I do, it gives me like 80% chance of winning the market, which right now I am absolutely winning. I'm 166 on this one. If you look at this one, 166, that's very high. I mean, I don't know whoever can do this, like this high percentage. Tell me, like live trade with me. All right. If you can do, I mean, I don't want to challenge, but just look at that. 166% for USD against Ethereum and 134% for my Bitcoin on USD. How did I do that? Like, well, I predicted 5 days ago. I'm sorry, again, I have a very high probability when I do that probability 5 days ago that the market, the Bitcoin will go down. And a lot of people said, no, the market is already accumulating. It might go up. Like, it depends, man. Again, no indicator is perfect. No reading of trade is perfect. I mean, if I do read this, if you can do this in Bitcoin or in altcoins, there's it's no reason for you that you can read it in Forex. Forex is way easy, and stocks easier. All right, but Bitcoin is tough because you don't know who's gonna tank, who's gonna dump, who's gonna pump. Okay, so you have to listen to different forms of aside from indicators, you have to do your sentiment too. Sentiment and your psychology, like what is it? Like, oh, I get a feeling of this. But anyway, it's not all about that. I'm going to show you some technicalities. Thanks, Neck. Some of the technicalities I used. It's not a secret, guys. Maybe it can help. Like why I put this position, why I have 166% right now, which I put 4 days ago. Why? How did I do that? It's not rocket science. Okay. First off, indicators. What are the essential indicators? I mean, there are three essential indicators I use. I mean, I only use three, nothing more, nothing less. I'd say one of the indicators that I frequently use is the Bollinger Band. The second one is the RSI, and the third one is the MACD, either 200-hour time frame or 100-day time frame. It depends on how and what is your um, emotion, or I'd say what is your habit in trading, whether are you a swing trader or are you a day-to-day trader. So listen and watch this really carefully. I'm going to show you the first indicator. I'm going to show you is some of these indicators I'm going to show you is knowing what's death cross and what is the golden cross. Okay. So let's start with the death cross because this is where I got my trade last time. Let me see. Death cross. I'm going to share to you my death cross first. Okay. Share screen. Golden. Screenshot. Okay. Death cross. I'm actually having a class right now. Yep. Trading. If you want to listen, you can. You can sit down and wait for a while and listen to me trade. Okay. Huh? No work tomorrow. No, no, it's not. Nobody's gonna work tomorrow. No one. No teacher is going to give you an assignment tomorrow. Let's just check. Okay, guys. This is what we call death crosses. This is we're using a this one is an MACD. MACD tells you or moving average exponential, which I am preferably using the exponential form. These are death cross. This is another death cross. This is a death cross. So if you look at the trade on my board, death I'm showing to you that later. Death cross meaning the price already went up. The price already is on the high level. If you look at this and it's already high, so that's the best time for you to put a sell order. Okay, sell order from here, and that you'll be expecting that the price will go down or will slump down, and then it would go to it would converge again, start to converge again, or maybe consolidate, and that's the time for you to put a stop on your sell order. So this is another death cross here, and it went down. All right, let's have another example. I am supposed to put the Binance, but a live one, but it's fine. Now, I'm going to show you what's behind my screen. Okay, stop. What behind me? So if you look behind me, okay, that one on the top, this one, that's the death cross. And the indicator that I used here is called MACD. So MACD always give you two lines in there, okay? And that two lines, okay, however you said it, that two lines will tell you something. You can always change it to a different color. I mean, it's better to use a contrasting color for that one so that you can tell the differences. All right, death cross, meaning the price was really high and it's time for you to execute a sell order. So you wait. That would give you a probability that your trade will go as you want it to be. Okay. And then it will go down. And as it goes down, you are raking profit. You are making profit. Okay. Until such time it starts to consolidate right over here and it's about to do a golden cross. The second term I'm going to tell you is the golden cross. What's the golden cross? It means to say after consolidation, it starts to converge, and this is when the price are really low. So at this time, you can execute a long or a buy order. So I'm going to show you several of this that shows different golden cross. So other than the death cross, there's also the golden cross. All right. This is the golden cross. There you go. 50-day moving average, there's an arrow there. That's a golden cross. So if you see that golden cross, then you can tell that, oh, this indicator tells me that it's a good time for me to buy. All right, good. So that's the golden cross, guy, and you can execute a buy order in that one. And the moment it goes up, the price goes up, and you win for that. And then you start to converge again at the top, start consolidating, and you start to sell it again. So that's how easy it is, right? So now I'm going to share you multiple golden crosses and multiple death crosses. This is how people make a lot of money. Okay, this multiple crosses, multiple death crosses, multiple. I call it multiple crosses. All right. Now, here, this is There's another golden cross. I mean, this is a golden cross, and it starts convert. It goes up, and then it went down back again. It closes, and then after it closes, then you if you put a long order here or you put a buy order, buy and long are the same. If I say long, it means buy. So I put a buy order here. I won, and then I close it somewhere here. Okay, from this point, I'm gonna buy again, and I'm gonna close it somewhere here. And at this point, I'm gonna buy again, and I'm going to close it somewhere here because the death cross is already there. When death cross, I'll start to sell. So you can actually make money at both direction. You can say put money right over here or put trade right over here. So at the same time, after you sell it, you will execute a sold order and you still make a profit. So you actually, it's a double whammy. Okay, you profit in both directions. That's how you make a lot of money or a lot of growing your asset on trading. Okay, all right. I hope that is clear. All right. So let me see what else I'm gonna share you. Another one, and what is one you want to get here? Yeah, what's up, Maxwell? Oh, that's one for today. I can do that. Just a second, guys. Teacher mode. Also, could you email this to me real quick too? Take picture of this and email it to me. Maybe tonight, just to make sure that I not forget it. Alright. Yeah, yeah. I'll put it tonight. Okay. Thank you. Appreciate you guys. Have a great day and week. Are you coming? You coming tomorrow? No. Haha. How about you? Okay. All right. Be safe and wash your hands too. That's what I heard from Mark with this morning. He always said, all right. All right, bye, man. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Where's that one now? Okay. Last and what about the take on toilet papers? What happened to toilet paper? What about toilet paper on Bitcoin? They're almost the same. Run out of it, you make profit out of it, like people are making. So anyway, toilet paper doesn't worry me because we have this. It can save a lot of trees too. All right. Make sure you use soap. Okay. If you have no toilet paper, all right, use that. Ah. All right. What else? So this is the reason why why I have a significant success on trading as far as cryptocurrencies trading, and we are on Binance API management trading. So we have a group that actually could help you guys or some of you who would like to be into this cryptocurrency trading. But anyway, let me show you. I know it will lag a little bit. Binance really quick. What am I talking about? Okay, what am I talking about? What are these indicators? Though it may be laggy a little bit, but it can help somehow. Come on, come on. Show me the trades. It will be up in a few, guys. Don't worry. Oh, there you go. I got it. Advanced trading. Okay, here we go. Let me take that out. Take this out. I'm going to share to you Binance trading really quick. Chrome tab. Here we go. Now this is live. Then just wait for a sec. Whoa, it like wow, it's 4,800 now. Wanna join the tank? The tanking event? Okay. Well, look at this right now. It will dump and it dumped further. Wow. So what you see on my screen right indicators that helps me decide that I should put up the order. Okay. And kind of slow, but let's so there you will see on band or BB, the second one, this one right over here is called the RSI stochastic, and that is the MACD. All right. So on the it's kind of slow, but I wish to go further with this to go further with this one. Hmm. But anyway, these three indicators can help you, at least help you, again, not predict. They just help you with your probabilities. So it's all about probabilities. It's not all about prediction. Okay. We are not predicting, it's just probabilities, and maybe my probabilities are right, or maybe the probabilities that I read is wrong. And some it also differ too, because some of the traders use a day trading, a day candle, some of them uses an hour candle. Like it depends actually what kind of trader you are, right? So the first one is the Bollinger Band. And from the Bollinger Band, it can tell you like, oh, the market is really below the median line. So maybe it's the best time for you to execute a buy order. But again, it's not complete yet unless what's going on the third one. But for me, I mean, this is a typical example wherein sometimes you have to look at on the market today. Okay, what's going on? What's up with the market? What's up with the situation? Like what causes the dump? What caused why the price went down really sharp? Like a while ago, we're just talking about 5,800, and now it's already 4,800. That's so sharp. All right, that's really sharp, steep. So it's a big one. So I put my position. It's already a winning position, and I think I win more. So I showed you 160% right a while ago. Let me see what's going on with that one after. So I'm going to screenshot one, and this one now it really went down. So this is the Bollinger Band. This is the R, and this is the MACD. We'll start with the MACD, but I cannot. All right. Okay. Let me stop it because my internet lags if I open up Binance. Oh my, it froze. Maybe that's it. Doesn't want me to teach you guys. It froze. Let's continue. There you go. It froze. I cannot do the live one. I wish I can do that live. Um, but it just keep on freezing my connection. Well, there you go. It's gone. So see. Good morning, Alfred. Okay, a while ago I just showed you I'm already in a 160%, right? 160%. And now you see what I have today. What I have now, sorry, I'm going to show you really quick. There you go. So this is what you see. Now, 166, that's the one that I showed you earlier, right? That's about 1 hour ago, 166%. Wow, cool, yeah? Now I'm going to show you. Let me turn this off. Turn this out. Again, let me show you. Let me show you. Let's have a look one more time. Let's have a look one more time. Freezing due to coronavirus. One more time. Oh no, not one more time. That's it. Oh no, no, no. That's it. That's 166%, right? 166% and 134%. Take note of the day. Okay, take note of that. Now, here's what it is now. 194%. The more Bitcoin goes down, I'm winning in dollar. All right. That's the way to do it. That's the way to do it. All right. So again, I said, guys, this is not because we predicted it. I can't even predict. I know I can predict that I'm gonna drink Coke. Excuse me. But we just have a high probability that the Bitcoin will go down. Bitcoin will go down because of the incident lately. What's going on on Earth, because it's global now. Well, Bitcoin's always global, but look at this one. So it doesn't mean to say that you won't make money or you won't be able to increase your asset because the Bitcoin went down. No, not always the case. You can make so much money out of it if you know how to do it. All right. And now I am already 194% on the profit. Double, 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 double. All right. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. And I hope you will get something out of this and you'll learn something out of the difference indicator, that essential indicators that can help you decide with your trade, and what is the difference between a long and a sell, long position, sell position, and bear market and the bullish market. Right now, we're in the really bearish trend. So it's a bearish market. And since it is a bearish market, bet on the bear. All right. Don't bet on the bull if the market is bear. Okay. That's the rule of the thumb. All right. So that's all for tonight, folks. Good morning pala sa Pilipinas. Maraming salamat sa pagkikinig. Maraming thank you. Thank you so much, guys, for listening. And I hope you win with me next time if you follow me. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. And my broadcast.